Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So friends, it's a nice sunny day, nice summer day, and we are come here to a park to do some walking, to do some exercises. I always feel so refreshed after coming here, doing some exercises. Actually, when you do some exercises and take care of yourself, you feel that you have the extra energy and all. And I have just started some exercises. Walking I used to always do, but in winter it again becomes only walking inside the house, and apartments are too small to be walked inside. So I really love to be outdoors and do outdoor exercises mostly. So and I hope you like this video. There's so much more to come. Please, if you have not liked my video yet and subscribed to my channel, please do so, and you'll be so happy that you have subscribed to my channel. So friends, keep watching, and I have a recipe included in this. So this was the sunrise in the morning. It looks so beautiful. So beautiful. Just look at the orange skies. So I just took 2 clips of this picture, and it is so beautiful. Can't stop admiring this beauty. So here I'm using sesame oil today, and they say that sesame oil is very good for health. So I'm just eyeballing, and I'm putting like 3 or 4 spoons. I'm using some kalonji. Those are the black seeds, and they are very good for your health. So here I'm adding one chopped onion, roughly chopped. So here I'm adding chopped cabbage. I had frozen it, that's why it's looking in different color. It just got little frostbite actually. So this looks little brown, but it's okay, I'm cooking it well. So here I'm adding a bit of soya sauce, like 1 spoon. You can again do eyeballing, and if it becomes little more, it doesn't hurt. So here I'm adding some chili garlic sauce. It will give a nice tomato tangy flavor. Just like 2 spoons. So here I had 1 pepper also. I thought okay, I would add some pepper also, but chop it little slow, small pieces, so that it gets cooked well. Actually crunchy also looks good, but I'll try to see that I cook it well, because I'm craving for some Chinese food today. So here I'm adding half a spoon of salt and some black pepper. So here I'm adding some chili flakes just to get a little spice level up. So here I'm cracking up 1 egg also, so that it gives a nice egg flavor also. And just to save the egg, you can always put your thumb inside and remove all the white liquid. Otherwise the shells will be having so much of liquid. So this is the thing how I clean up, and I use my everything. So here I have some leftover rice, and from this leftover rice we are going to do a nice makeover. That's the Chinese fried rice in Indian spices and herbs. Now I'm adding all the rice, and I have mixed it well. It's all looking good, and it's coming out so fluffy and nice. So I think I forgot to put red chili powder. So here I'm adding little, and I'll mix it well because the heat is on. So we'll just mix it well and let it stay for 5 minutes. It will get cooked in the slow heat. In the low heat, I mean, I'm just reducing it to 3. So we'll just leave it for 5 minutes, and here it gets cooked so well. It already looks so good. Smells so heavenly. And I'm sure, oh, it's splashing on me. And I'm sure it's going to taste awesome. I put it in the serving dish, and this is how it looks. So yum and delicious. All the onions and bell peppers. It's looking so yum. Enjoy. Going for walks, this is the advantage. You don't know what you see on the road. I love this wildflowers. These are actually weeds, but they look so beautiful, just like they are decorated in the walls. But see, it is all roadside and walking area. Nice flowers, very beautiful. Again, beautiful flowers here too. So cute. Going on a walk. it's so bright. Even if it is at 6 o'clock in the evening, it is so bright, and the skies look so beautiful. My hairs are all getting messed up. Beautiful trees, beautiful blooms of the flowers. Love this tree. This tree is almost not having half of its leaves, so it's just trying to spring. And once it is fully summer, the trees will regrow again. But some branches are without leaves, some are with leaves. So this is the weather. Even the trees are walking on the grass. Just look at this bird. So beautiful. So I love to see. Sometimes I feel that I should like to spend more time with the nature and by myself. I love coming on walks in summer. Look at this bird. So cute. Hi birdie. It's picking up some worms and eating. So I'm remembering a verse where God says that I take care of the sparrows also. So you're a human being. How much care do I take about you guys? So it's really a good reminder that God provides. It likes the shade. It flew. So I'm inside the park now, and I'm so tired because it's so sunny. Just see the reflection of the sun. It is so hot and I'm sweating so badly. I can feel the sweat all over my face, and I just did some facial in the morning. I hope you guys have seen that video, and if you have not seen, I have done a very good facial. And I'm doing one nail video for the teenage girls also, so that video also will be very soon available. So please watch and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And if you have liked all this content for today, just hit the like button as soon as possible, and that will give me more motivation to make more good videos and come out. And I have challenged myself this month that I want to lose that much weight. I already have the initial weight, how much it was, and I feel that my flexibility has gone down. So I'm trying to challenge myself and do a little extra walking and eat healthy. So I hope I can make a good video out of it and show you my little weight loss and how good I feel. So I'll be bringing more videos of walking. So here today is my not my first day, it is almost like 4th or 5th day of my walking, and I have already started feeling so good. Being at home for 1 year was really dumb and I didn't do much, but I still did some yoga and all, and I still kept a little flexibility. But the most flexibility what I want is that I can run, and right now I cannot run, so that is my drawback. So and now I'll again walk little and talk to you all later. My kiddos came here to do some basketball and some biking. Instead they are swinging LOL, which my son plays with. And here's the bike which they both do, and they drive this bicycle. Actually it's called bike over here, and they play basketball. Those are saying that this pedal is stuck and the lock is stuck. So we need to just, how do we open it? Oh, this got stuck. Actually there's a trick to follow it. So friends, I'm ending over here again. So today my whole blogging and vlogging went into this park, coming into here and just going, and we spent a lot of time, like 3 hours of time. So it was really very refreshing. I'm feeling an extra energy and extra strength today. I'm feeling so good about myself. So this is it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Love you all.